the real one. No, he's fake. Shoot him. I'm the real one. He's the alien.
I don't know. Tell me something only my real dad would know.
Last week I beat you up for the B+ in math.
What did you use?
Belt and slipper. Hey, anybody can figure that out. You pee your pants until 9th grade. We had to move because everybody call you pissy boy.
Oh, yeah, okay, no, we don't need to bring that up. What did you say to me on my 7th birthday?
You're a fucking failure.
And why?
You couldn't even solve basic college level trigonometry problem.
Yeah, I still think that's bullshit. I was only 7.
Steven's son solved it and he was only 2 months old. Fresh out the womb.
Okay, last question. Even if it was only for a single moment, have you ever been proud of me?
Of course. In 23 years, I'm sure you made me proud at least one time. Why it take you so long, huh? Why can't you be like Steven's son? He figured it out in 2 seconds.
My God,
this
Dad.
is why you never make me proud in 23 years, you fucking disappointment!